Curious why chimney sweeps love their work? Discover the pride, purpose, and passion behind our unique industry. Hear it straight from our owners at Midtown Chimney Sweeps from this year's NCSG convention.
Hi, I'm Kurt Matthews.
I'm John.
Hello, I am Marcus.
My name is Jacob.
Hi, I'm Jason.
Hi, I'm Jake.
Hello, my name is Byron Schramm with Midtown Chimney.
My favorite part of being in the industry and being a sweep is it's never boring. It's exciting work. We do something different so many days.
I'm running into something new every day.
Doing something different.
It's something that's different. It's unique.
Doing something different.
Different things in different fireplaces.
Doing the different types of fireplaces.
And then coming to something like this and the brotherhood of chimney sweeps has been amazing.
You don't go to the same place 9 to 5 every day.
There's so much besides like meeting people's dogs and seeing all the different houses. Of course, our biggest point is keeping people safe and everything. But like me personally, I like seeing everybody's dogs.
The pleasure I get from helping people out and knowing that they appreciate me there. That's a big part of it, I think.
It kind of lets me use all the knowledge I've built over the last 10 years and kind of just hone it on one specific thing.
And also just they look beautiful. They're amazing looking. So, you go into different houses, you see different types of fireplaces and meet different kind of people, and it's really cool.
The incredible nuance of the people you work with and the products you're exposed to. Did I get bunny ears?
No, I guess so.
It's fun, to be honest. Like, chim chim true.